Lahore, Pakistan. I think it's the 5th largest mosque in the world.
Freezing now. So right now 3 degrees. At night minus. I don't know how.
Unfortunately, it simply turned out to be impossible to drive the Karakoram highway this early in the season. Many places were blocked by snow and ice, and cars were sliding all over the place. The Karakoram highway would have to wait. Pakistani truck drivers live in their truck. It is therefore that their truck not only mirrors their life in images, but also in decorations.
In the Isuzu, what the town in Karachi.
So that is the oil line that has been leaking and making a bad smell.
After a full days of work and various parts, this was the bill.
A little bit messy here. So don't worry. After finish dinner, that's Martin's job to clean it up.
Delicious. So we pulled off the road here somewhere between Karachi and Quetta. Prepared some lunch. It was prepared some lunch. Really nice. And then the police came, and I can't understand what they're saying, and they can't understand what I'm saying because they don't speak English, I don't speak Urdu. but right now they are guarding us. They've taken up posts outside our car and they are guarding us for any evil that might become us. So we can eat in peace and quiet without being disturbed by anyone. Not even a fly would dare to intrude on us now. Only in Pakistan. The 2-day drive from Quetta to the Iranian border, we were accompanied by the levies, Pakistan's armed security service. We also learned that desert sand is just like water, slippery.
Oh my god, the video like...
The man in the black shirt, who is shadowing Tip's every move, was assigned to protect us. The man with the black leather jacket was very interested in what we were doing, and he would follow us everywhere, always standing right next to Tip. How to make a garlic naan, our favorite bread in Pakistan.